OpenOffice Writer working in columns. We're going to put all the information we have here in two columns. So instead of having the information underneath each other, we're going to move them next to each other. So the first step is to highlight everything that you want to put into columns. And then you're going to select Format, Columns. Here you can select the number of columns that you would like. I'm going to insert 2 columns. And you can also change some of the width and spacing options. I'm going to insert a separator line between the two, so just a thin line between the 2 columns. And then I'm going to select OK. Alright, so this will put everything into 2 columns, nice and neatly. But let's say you had another sentence at the end of the first column, something like, now for the syrup, ... And let's say we wanted to move this to the top of the second column. To do this, you would move your cursor to the beginning of the sentence. Then you would select Insert from your menu bar, select Manual Break, and because we're working with columns, you're going to select Column Break, and then select OK. That sentence will now move to the top of the second column. To activate hyphenation, I would select the text first, then I would select Format, select Paragraph, and then go to the Text Flow tab. Here you can select Automatic Hyphenation, and you can set some other settings such as the characters at line end, the characters at line beginning, and the maximum number of consecutive hyphens. I'm just going to leave all the default settings as is, and I'm going to select OK. You'll now notice that you've got some hyphens over here, for instance, for combination, as well as for sugar. And that concludes our lesson on OpenOffice Writer working in columns.